What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video I've got a very special announcement to make. So make sure to stay tuned. Alright, we're inside the Clickbank Dashboard, and here you can see the latest results of our top student Tom, who is really, once again, having a very good results. Alright, so as you can see, the last couple of days, 2.2k profit, 2.9k profit, 2.8k profit. So once again, Tom's Clickbank campaigns are really moving along very nicely. And I've got a very special message, like I said, which is this one right here. A message to Tom, the Clickbank student. Tom, congratulations. Your hard work and dedication to excellence in 2020 has secured you platinum status for 2021. You proved you have what it takes to sit with the top 1% on Clickbank, and now it's time to reap the rewards and claim your 2021 Platinum Award. Now this is amazing news, of course. So first of all, congratulations to Tom to achieving this awesome milestone in your career and in your affiliate marketing business, the Clickbank Platinum status, which is awesome. And if you want to get the same results, if you want to have 2 to 3k profit a day and get the Clickbank Platinum status as well, make sure to schedule your call for the Deberoo Suite in the link down below. Because not only does this provide you with all the software for your affiliate marketing business that you need, you will also have access to the community in which Tom is active as well. So if you have any questions about his campaigns, about his strategies or the angles that he uses, about the traffic sources that he uses, whatever questions you have to Tom, the brand new Clickbank Platinum affiliate, make sure to join the Deberoo Suite and ask him all about it in the community. Or just like Tom, you might want to get some coaching by calling Dice. That's also a possibility inside the Deberoo Suite. So make sure to schedule your call down below with the link down below, and then we will see you on the inside and we will help you get your platinum status as well. So I'll see you on the inside. Until then, peace out.